Withdrawing funds held by eBay can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by visiting the eBay website and logging into your account using your username and password. Ensure that you have access to the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Step 2. Access your payments account. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. From there, select Account and then click on Payments to access your payment settings and view your available funds. Step 3. Choose Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. After selecting your preferred withdrawal method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum and maximum limits for withdrawals as set by eBay. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your withdrawal details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your chosen withdrawal method. Be sure to check your account for updates and processing times.